Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mutated Gray. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw a curve up. Then leave a gap and let's do the same on the right. And then let's add another curve underneath. Next, inside each eye, let's draw 3 curves going down. And then 3 across. Next, underneath the eyes, let's draw the mandibles. Let's start with a curve in the center. Then from both ends, let's bring it out. And then curve it back into a point underneath. Now inside, let's draw a zigzag line going down. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve on top. And then curve it up on both ends. Now from the tops, let's curve it down. Next at the bottom, let's draw a curve in and back up. And the same on the right side. And then curve it in towards the center. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw a long curve down and bring it back up. Then underneath, let's draw 2 lines down. Now for the next section, let's draw a curve across. And then angle it back in underneath. And a curve to close off the bottom. Now let's move back up and let's draw the arms. On both sides of the body, let's draw 2 angled lines down and out. Now at the ends, let's hop up and let's draw a wavy line down. And then one more curve, forming a teardrop shape. Next, underneath for the hands, let's draw a small curved point. And then 3 more on each hand. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's draw 2 angles down on the left and 2 on the right. And now let's add a longer angled line underneath. Now underneath each leg, let's draw a long curve down and back up. Next for the feet, let's draw a small curve down on the inside. Then let's hop out and let's curve it out and back in. And then one more curve underneath to close off each foot. Lastly, in between the legs at the top here, let's draw a curved V shape. And that's it for Mutated Gray. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!